Happy Monday, juicy, jazzy ladies. This is Sandra Laura Manuela, and I have a cup of confidence for you to start your Monday and to start your week powerful. So you can stay in the juicy, jazzy vibes, right? So every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday, there is like a cup of confidence for you waiting in the WhatsApp group. In the morning and in the evening, you get like an audio, and I call it the chill pill, because in the evening we need to unwind, but in the morning we need to start present and powerful. So I would love to offer you today the temple cleaning, the exercise we did also at our Juicy and Jazzy live event. Why is it so important as a woman that you start every morning with touching your body? Because if not, we wake up and we go to the head and we go to our to-do list and we have no connection with our presence, with our essence, with who we are truly meant to be, a powerful queen, a powerful leader, right? But a feminine leader. And so we women, if we want to be powerful, we go down and then we go up. It's not like the men who are very powerful in their minds and already rooted most of the time in their bodies. For us, it works the opposite. So that's why you start every morning with the temple cleaning. So let's do that together. You just sit down or you can stand up, and first put your hands for a second on your heart-soul space. This is the space between your breasts where your spark, your magic enters you. And close your eyes and feel the touch of your hands and feel the kiss between your breasts and your hands. So we're going to make love to ourselves because that is the feminine. The feminine loves lovemaking, right? And just take a deep breath in. And when you sigh out, you soften. You soften. You relax, you let everything roll off your shoulders, and then you slide gently your both hands to your belly button. Roll those shoulders backwards so your heart can open, and again you smile. And it's an inward smile. You go inward, and you put all your energy, your focus, you bring your mind deep down in the darkness of your body, behind your hands, behind your belly button, and you breathe there. And whenever a thought pops up, you drop it like a stone deep in the darkness of your body, and just feel with your feet the earth as well, and let it drop deep into the darkness of the earth. The hands kiss the belly. Good morning. I love you. And just breathe that in. Invite softness, even though it's a Monday morning. We do things powerful and soft, we women. That's the feminine. She can be ruthless as well, but let's start in a gentle and soft way. And then we gently, gently keep on smiling in your hands. We go in a spiral around the belly, touching and just inviting the body to be healthy and to open up for our light that is coming from the heart. And you go deep with your breath. You breathe in your hips. You let your mind sink into your dark hips. And you just enjoy the touch, connecting with the earth, as if you're stirring in a soup of molecules. So you go deep in consciousness, stirring in the molecules of your bodily soup. You go a bit deeper, you touch your pubic bone, you touch underneath your breasts, your solar plexus, and you spiral all the way up now to your breasts, top of the lungs. Keep on smiling. And keep on inviting the body and be grateful. Put a portion of gratitude in your hands. And then we put our left hand, we open it, we put it on our knee, and we go with the right hand to our neck and our shoulders, touching the body, touching the shoulders, and then sliding on the inside of the arm like soft, gentle water of a stream, fresh water down. And you can even massage your hands a little bit. And then we go on the outside of the arm, gently, gently up, touching the neck, touching the heart and the belly. Then we go with our right hand down, opening the arm, bringing our left hand on the shoulder, the neck, and you touch yourself as you are the greatest piece of art. You're a masterpiece, and how would you love to be touched? Maybe this morning you need a little bit more tide, or maybe you just need softness to start your week soft. And again, like water dripping down, fresh water, and bringing the energy back up, up, up to the heart, and then to the belly again, because the belly digests also our emotions. So the heart is the place where we put all our emotions, and the belly is the place where it gets digested. And then just rubbing on your kidneys behind, warming up your lower body.